Hello everyone, this is a video for designing for the web, and it's about fonts and type. This is hopefully a review since you've probably already taken plenty of graphic design classes, so you've gone through this, but I do want to make sure we're all on the same page. Let's have a look at some fonts. For print, you have a lot more options, but when it comes to the web, for the most part, you're going to have to stick with sans serif fonts and display fonts. Display ideally for headlines, and when you're adding text for either slogans or logos, you're going to use a display font. Sans serif is most of the time going to be used for any sort of type that you have in your websites, along with links, of course. But there are some other options there too. A major factor when you're designing for the web is emphasis. So here is a document that shows how you should think about using different types of emphases. So as you can see on the categories, you have main headline, which is black condensed. It uses uppercase. And then we have light condensed. Okay, we have black condensed for, it's uppercase and it's mixed case. Those two, the colors. Okay, notice quotation is red and it's italic. And then there's regular, captions have, are either regular, bold, or light. Emphasis is there too. So make use of all or most of these, whether it's italics, condensed, right, light, and bold. But definitely do not use underline. That's something you don't want to use. When it comes to getting fonts, the place where I like to go is defont.com. So I'm just going to quickly go over this as well. Here is the website. I really like it because there's no ads, and most of the fonts that are on here are display fonts. So this would go great for a logo. So I'm just going to download this Caramel Candy, since I also like Caramel Candy. It's a zip file when it downloads, and there is the TTF file. So I'm going to just drag this out of the zip file and place it somewhere on my desktop just for this demonstration. Ideally, you want to put this in a place where you can then pull it up at any time later. But there it is on my desktop. I'm going to right click over it, and then you'll see I can install it. So once I install it, you'll be able to use it immediately in Photoshop or Illustrator. So there you have it. Just wanted to quickly show you fonts and how to handle and deal with them. Because it's for the web, it's a little bit different than what we would expect for print. But the main thing is that you use emphases, whether it's bold, italics, thin, and regular, along with different colors. And also, most of the time, we are using sans serif fonts for anything in our web pages for information, as well as links. So the other option would be using displays, but that's only if you're making a logo. All right, thanks for your attention, and we'll see you in the next video. Professor Pete out.